Welcome back to Hoochos. So I'm going to trim the fat as much as possible in this video and get it done as quickly as I can. About 9 months ago, I made some Ollas for my garden, and we're doing a bit of an overhaul of the garden at the moment because it's winter. But over the spring and summer, I planted some tomato seeds around this Olla, and now we can check out what the root growth around the Olla looks like. Let's do that. As you can see, the tomato plants have actually surrounded the Olla with their roots. And underneath, it's this nice, rich, well-watered soil. So it's actually been a while since these Ollas had chilies around them, but we'll have a look and see how the root growth is. I'm suspecting that this one actually will have roots traveling over to this Olla currently, but I haven't actually filled these Ollas in a while, so as you can see, the roots have encircled the Olla. And again with that one. And these are really old roots, actually. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Definitely a root system forming around that Olla. And there you have it. Ollas and the root systems that form around them. I mean, that's evidence enough to me to tell me that they work. And the extended grow period I got from the plants around these Ollas, and just generally the resilience to lack of rain because of the water that was slowly released by these devices has convinced me that this technique is well worth your time. Now you can check out how I built these in my previous how to build Ollas video, and it's something that I'd actually recommend. I've got a future video coming up where I'm going to use this technique with hydroponics. Keen to see that? Hit subscribe. See you next time.